Irish Street Reno, week 204. This week, I'll be heading to Ireland for work, so before I leave, I pick all my garden produce so I can give it away at my local office. If I had more time, I'd freeze some of this, but at least it won't be going to waste. In the evening, I'm wrapping up the sunroom electrical project. I've added 2 circular gangs on the north and the south ends of the room. If I ever want to run gimbal lights to those walls, it'll be as easy as installing a track light rail. The sunroom will have 4 light switches, 1 for each wall. The garage similarly will have 4 light switches. 1 for the can lights, which are running 5000 Kelvin bulbs, ideal for woodworking. Switches 2 and 3 are dimmers for each row of gimbal lights, which are running at 3000 degrees Kelvin. Last, the 4th switch will control the cabinet undermount LEDs, something I'll install later down the road. And just like that, I'm headed off to Ireland. I left Denver on Friday the 21st and will land nearly a day later on the 22nd. Heading to Ireland from Denver means losing 7 time zones worth of hours, so when I land, it's already well into Sunday. I grab a bus from the Dublin airport north to Belfast, which provides a good view of the green countryside. After checking into my hotel, I stretch out my legs by going on a run. There's a nice pass by the River Lagan, which takes me out several miles with minimal road crossings. On Monday, I'm running again. I ended up sleeping for about 12 hours last night, so I'm able to get a rare early start and run before work. Once again, I'm running by the River Lagan and end up running through the local botanical gardens and through some city neighborhoods. Good morning, guys. It's day 3 here in Belfast. I'm about to head out for another run. It's 6:30 in the morning. Gonna do another 8-mile loop, this time in a slightly different part of the city. that's a wrap for week 204. I didn't get to do much filming on this side of the trip, so thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you next week for my return home and some more renovating. Until then, bon voyage.